Hi everyone, this is Annie and this is my colleague and Bella. So today we will show you about the project we have done before and the construction material. So because this month is the festival in September, so we will introduce our hot sale products with the Bella.
Hello everyone, this is Bella. Let's see. Next, we want to invite our colleague help us with the link.
So our colleague will have us to show the link to our customer. The first lay we will introduce the projects we have done before. The first project we have done in Angola in African. So we will show you about the 3D the model.
Yes, I think maybe someone will curious why this project will become our shop the hotel product, because our shop have more than 500 products. Next, let me do some simple introduce for the steel structure wear workshop. This hot product, the first advantage is the appearance is very beautiful. First, we can check the steel workshop. The bottom is made of by 1 meter brick wall. The brick wall function is used for waterproof, and we can check the wall and the roof shed. The wall is made of by steel shed, but the width is 750 millimeters. The 750 millimeters steel sheet can installation by horizontal, because this is a horizontal. So this type of prints will look more beautiful. And the roof also is made of by 750 millimeters steel sheet, but for this project have the parapet wall, so we cannot look at the roof at this picture.
The next one?
Yes, the next one is the window. Annie, can you introduce the window to our customers?
Yes. So when we see the windows, so the many customers know the window with the common service. So we design the longer windows, the strip window. So when the light, so you can see the sunlight will through the window to be a lighter inside of the warehouse. So if your bucket, because this type with the PVC, we also have the aluminum in alloy the windows. So if your bucket is lower, so we can also do the 1.2 by 1.2 the size, because any size we can do. So because this factory for the juice production, so our Angola customers like this type the window, because he came to our factory to choose the windows and the walls and the roof sheets and the wall sheets, because this wall sheet is similar as our factory the outside wall. So just now the Bella already introduced the wall sheet and the roof sheet with the parapet wall. So later we will show you more the pictures about this factory and the installation pictures.
Yes, and for the wall and the roof shed, we also, if you have the high replacement for the fireproof or for the installation, we also can use different sound panels. Annie said the window. About the window, if you don't have more budget, we also can suggest you use the skylight to replace the windows. Because the skylight is more cheaper than the windows, and the skylight also can let the sunshine go through inside very well.
Yeah, you can also see the rolling door. So if you don't like the rolling doors from outside, so we can also do the double door with the sandwich panel to keep the installation.
Good. And the color and whatever the door color, the window color, the roof and the wall color also can custom make according to your request.
Yeah, so we will see the next picture.
And the second advantage of this steel workshop is because of the price. As you know, because this month in September, and our shop is attending Alibaba's September Party Festival. So we will have many, not only the discount, also have many gifts for you. We can introduce for you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10
Free gifts.
free gifts. Yes, right. All the gifts will use for your project. For example, when you do the installation on the seat, whatever you also can use it. Yes. Let me introduce how can you get the gifts. For example, if your order total bigger than $3,000, then you will can get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total 5 gifts. But if your order amount total bigger than $5,000, then you will can get 7. You also can get more the electric wish and the electric pistol drill. Total 7 gifts. And if your order amount total bigger than 8,100, then you will can get more free gifts. And plus the 8 and the 9 plus 2 more 2 free gifts. Of course, if your order can bigger than $50 or the $2,000, then you will can get all the gifts. If your order total amount than $20,000, you will can get one luxury container house.
Yeah, the Bella introduced all the item and the free gifts. If you give us the order in September, so we will send you all the free gifts. It will be free for you.
Yes, many customers will know our Changlong Group price is very cheaper and with the top qualities. So if you can place order in September, you not only can get the original cheaper price, you also can get a more discount price besides these gifts.
Because this month with the huge promotion, the purchase. So if you want to get this picture, we also can send it to you through the email and the treat manager on Alibaba. So you can send us and click our Alibaba shop and send us the message. So our colleague will send you this picture.
Yes, right. If you have the urgent order you also can leave the message by here. Our colleague will answer you right away.
You can also give the attention to our Alibaba shop, the Canglong Group.
Yeah. And next, we can show some of the installation photos on site to our customers.
Okay. Now we can begin because the foundation our Angola customer already finished it on site. So when our goods arrive in Angola and the port, so they will begin from the main column and the beams. So we show about them.
Yes, our customer place the order also is based on just we show you the hot product model. Just our customer may make a little change because the weather is too hot, so they have some special function. So they make a little different with the model.
From this picture, so you can see all our steel frames, steel column, and the beams. We already finished the joint plates. So you only need to join them. Use our high strength bolts and the common bolts to join together. Because the distance is we already designed from the 3 meters and the 4 meters according to our customers' requirements. So just use the smaller crane according to the warehouse size to choose the crane size. So use a crane to hang the beam, this column to joint the foundation. So top we will put the beam to joint the column. So after that we will put the purlin and the wall and the roof the system with the corners. So you can see our Angola customer made the foundation with the concrete as the foundation booth according to our foundation drawing, because our engineer also did the installation drawing to send the CAD or the paper to into the container. The container will arrive in the port, so our customer can use our installation drawing to do it.
Yes, that's why so many African customers will like this project, because they are like Canglong Group product qualities sale after sales. Because when for this customer, when they send the message to us, they don't have anything. They only have the land size. Then we give them too many suggestions. For example, what's the height? What's the most save cost plan? And we make the free drawing to them and make the best quotation. After when they got all the products, we give the installation guide to them. So they very smoothly to finish the installation. So the customer will introduce many other customers to us. They also will like this product. So let this product became the hot product. So if you also interested in this project, you can send the message to us or leave your email address. We will send the email to you and give your more details and make the best quotation for you.
Yeah, you can see from this picture. So the customer only needs the one crane to install this factory. So the big factory with the smaller attached into the main factory. So we can see the next picture. And this picture, the customers already finished the concrete wall on the bottom. So top we will use the steel because we already showed the 3D model, so this is a real picture. When we designed the steel sheet for wall and roof, so now our customers already make a smaller the advanced adjustments. So use the steel sheets used for wall. You can see total have the 1, 2, 3, 4, the four spans total, because the weddings of this factory is the wider over the 30 meters. So it's for the safety, the more safety. So our engineer designed the four spans for this factory, because this wall sheet is dilated by the horizontal. So our purlin will be horizontal. So our purlin will be the vertical, because the when wall sheets and our wall sandwich panel by the horizontal, so our purlin will be must be the vertically.
Yes, and we can notice another more important details is about the brick wall. Now many customers they want to build the project, they will ask the brick wall. But how many customers they will, when they do the installation, they will installation the steel structure at first. They will build the brick wall at first. Then after the installation, the steel structure. But this is not correct. In our suggestion, we will suggest you installation the steel structure at first. When you done the steel structure, then after do the brick wall. This is the best choice. So if your project also will ask a brick wall, so please notice this suggestion. This is very important, because this is will make your project more professional and look more nice.
This is the to see. We can see it from the front. Front have the rolling door, because the from the 3D model we already saw the two rolling doors.
Yes, from this picture we can see it's already designed the middle columns. Many customers will confuse what project should be at the middle columns, what project is cannot at the middle columns. If your project if used for the heavy industrial workshop or warehouse, if the inside need to put the equipment, then we suggest you send your equipment, load it to us. Then we will can check it can put the middle columns or not. Because if your if inside don't have the high request equipment requirement, then we will add the middle columns for you. Because after add the middle columns, then you will can save many steel structure weight and save many cost. Another opinion is we will check what's your span of the project. If your span is too big or more than 30 meters, then we also suggest you to add the middle columns, because we need to consider the safety of your project. Because the safety is the first important of construction project.
Okay, let us show you about the next picture. This is our certification of the CE and the SGS. This one is SGS.
Yeah. Maybe sometimes our customer will ask us why do you say you can promise your quality and send the good top quality to us? Because if you worried about the quality, then you can check the certificate. because the certificate is from the SGS. The Alibaba will send the SGS company to our office and our factory. They have already inspected our office and our products and all our factory production line. So you don't need to worry about our quality. Quality is our culture.
This is the picture Bella with our Angola customer. Our Angola customer is very kind.
Yes, and very handsome.
This one is through the Alibaba and our customers the request to test our quality because they bought the over 200 tons the steel frame to build their factory because the quality is very serious. So they came to our factory total two times to check and the talked and discussed with our engineer about their project to keep the safe.
Yes, the customer with him engineer is very professional. The first coming is want to check our quality, and the second time is we have already finished the production. Then they want to check the production quality before the shipment. Now they have already finished the installation, and they gave us the 5 stars good cement on Alibaba about our order.
If you want to see the more pictures or photos about their projects, so you can send us the message through the email and the trade manager. So we will send you more the pictures about their projects.
Yeah. From this picture also is our customer. The customer is from Mexico. The customer also placed order about the hot product, and the customer also were happy about our quality, price, after sales, everything,
and the service. Yeah.
Okay, let us find more photos and videos for your reference about this project. Please wait for us a moment.
We will show you a video. This one.
Yeah. Yes. We can check this video. From this video, we not only can look the outside, also can look the inside.
Yeah, our engineer designed the 3D the video.
Yes, from the video we can check the font size and the top. Also can check the inside. Yeah, this is the roof. Okay. So if you want to design a project, if not like this model, we also can let our engineer teams to design the different models for you according to your requirement or drawings.
Yeah, because this factory with the parapet wall, so we suggest this type. And from outside to see, you cannot see the slopes, the roof.
Okay. Next, we can introduce our second hot products for you. This is also a steel workshop project. We can check this one is very similar with last one, but from this one we also can check many advantage. At first, we can check the wall. About the wall, we can check it's made up by 3 different colors. The bottom also is made up by brick wall. About the brick wall height, we also can give you the suggestion or you can send your request to us because this is not the fixed. So you can let us know what's your idea. And if you don't want to make the brick wall, also is okay. We can see the wall is made of by besides the brick wall, the wall shed is made of by 2 different colors. The wall shed also is made of by 750 millimeters steel sheet because this type can installation by horizontal. And we can check from this part to this part. We design is the dark green color, or you can call the black color. And the top for the parapet wall, we design a yellow color. So from the appearance, we can see the color match is very nice. And we can check. Next, we can check the window. The window is different with last one because last one is made up by PVC or aluminum window. But for this one, just made by skylight because some customer don't have the high request for the fan, so they just want to let the skylight go through. So we will suggest them only use the skylight because the skylight will save more cost. And we also can see we put many small windows for around the workshop, and the window is cannot open because this just want to make the steel workshop become more modern and fashion. But if you want to let the window sliding or do some more open, we also can design for you. So you just leave your request to us. Will be okay. And also have the door, the rolling shut door. We design for the project is 2 doors plus the canopy.
No.
And the door also can make by other type, for example, sliding door, and the rolling door also can do the electric or manual open.
Yeah, this workshop from outside to see is very modern because with the different color. If you don't like the yellow color, you want to put the red color, we also can design it and send it to you. So this window, if you think it is very lower, so it's not safe. So we can design from here to here to keep the safe when the night. So window also can do the double layer and the 3 layer, the single layer, because the according to our customers' budget, so we can do if your budget is lower, so we can do the single layer. If you want to choose the double layer, so we can also do it for you.
Yes, right. Maybe someone will ask why cannot see the internal. because for the internal, many customer will send their floor plan to us. Then we will make it based on their floor plan. But if you don't have any idea for it, just leave your message by here or send the message to our Alibaba. Then our engineer teams will give you the best suggestion for the inside.
Because in September, this warehouse we showed before, so price is very cheaper.
Yeah.
So you can choose it.
And the hot and about this hot steel workshop product is mainly popular in South American market. So we have many South American customer visit our office and visit our factory. Just we have already show you our photos with customer. They all placed order for this project.
Yeah, maybe have many the African customers want to know because the African is very far away from the China. So why many the African customers choose the warehouse steel structure from the China? Because in Africa the land is very big, and they have we don't have so many factories to produce the steel structure. So they are willing to spend the money to come to China to check the quality of the H type steel. And they also have the engineer to discuss with our engineer to design a perfect project to match their standard. And so they want to choose the steel structures supplier from the China.
Yes, if you don't very professional about the steel structure project, we also can tell to you some
suggestion and good ideas.
Yes, about our steel structure always installation by both, so you don't need to do the weld on your seat. So after you get the project, all the materials, the installation will very easy and take a very short days.
So if you also want to take this photo, we also can send it to you to your email and to the manager.
Yes. So please leave your email address on here. Then we will send the email to you and send all the photos, videos, and some floor plan to you. Then you can choose it.
And this type almost similar with the last one, because the top can do the air free fresh air to through the factory.
Yeah, about the is a skylight or monkey roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, this customer is from the South American, and this customer is placed order for just we show you the hot product steel structure workshop.
We have many South American customers from their countries, because they like the serious and strict factory, and give them the good suggestion to help them to build the factory and project.
Yes. When everything goes well, if you have some doubles or questions about your project, we also can invite you coming to China and visit our factory and coming to our workshop, our office. Then we can discuss the project with our engineer team face to face. Then I think will more easy for your understand and solve some questions about the project.
Yeah, so we will do the good job together.
Waiting for you.
This is our Dominica, the customer, because they bought the 1,000, the 40, the 400, the square meters total. They already built and finished the steel frame and the roof panel, because when they install his project, so they have the many problems about our installation, the drawings. So because this is the first time they built this building, so we helped a lot to their project, from the steel frame, steel column, and the beams, the distance, and the bracing, including the roof panel, because their roof system with the skylights. So they don't know how to install the skylight. So we showed all the pictures, and show them how to install the roof panel. So now they already finished the roof panel, and now rest is only for the wall panel. So after they finishes the wall panel and the wall system, so we also can send some pictures to your email and your Alibaba trade manager, so you can leave the message to our colleague and to Changlong Group.
Yeah, I remember this customer is very happy about our service and the after service, right?
Yeah.
And they have already give the order 5 stars good cement by Alibaba, right?
Yeah, they also became our agents in their country. So after they introduce the customer, or they also have more orders, so we will give the commission or the more gifts for them.
Correct.
This is our American customer.
Oh, and just I remember you talk about the installation to our customers. I want to let them know after they place the order, and when we do the delivery, we will design the installation drawing for them, so they will more easy to do the installation, and we will pre-print the installation drawing by blue drawing, right?
Yes.
Blue drawing.
Yes.
Then put two containers. Then when you get the goods and do the unloading, then you can check our blue drawings and show it to your installation team. Then they will very more easy check the drawing and do the installation for you. Because when we deliver the steel structure, we will mark all the numbers, all the different numbers for the steel structure. For example, the column, the beam, the tie bar, and the purlin. We will mark the different numbers above it. So when you get the steel structures, you just find the number of the steel structures, then to match the installation drawing, then will more easy for you find the steel structure fast and do the installation fast too.
Yeah, so you can look for the installation team from your country. So we can also do the installation works for you.
Yes, we can check our customer from Canada. They order this popular the hot steel structure workshop. Just we showed you to you the one, and we can check the order is too big, because the workshop land and the size is too big. We can check the amount. The amount is about $30,000.
Yeah, the amount is very big.
Yeah. Even the workshop is big, but our production time and the delivery time is very short. Just about this project, we just use about 20 20 business days. So our customer very
strange.
Yes, strange and surprise about our production and the delivery time.
Yeah, they are so be the surprised.
Yes. For this customer, they have already put all the equipment to inside and start the production of their products, and they have already started to make money.
Yeah.
So even if you have the more big project, just send your request to us. Please don't be worried about the delivery time, about the shipping, because we also can arrange the shipping for you. We have more professional shipping agent. They can help us to find the most cheaper price than other shipping agent. So you don't need to worry about any production time, delivery time, and shipping times, or the cost. We will do everything for you. Try our best to do everything for you.
Yeah, this picture shows the good comments with the 5 stars from our Canada the customers, because they are very like our products and the installation.
Yeah, we can see customer said, first time we imported a big project from China. Excellent for service and really professional. We recommend them. When we see the word, we are really very happy, because when our customer happy with our quality, happy with our product, happy with our service and the after service, we also were happy.
Yeah, the later they will introduce the more customers to our company to help. We will help them from the design to products and the delivery to their country, and also teach the how to install the steel frame and the wall and the roof about the whole project. So don't worry about the installation.
Yes, if you also from Canada or you want to build a project in Canada, we can give your most many professional suggestions, because we not only build one project in Canada, we have already built many different projects in different areas in Canada. So if you also from Canada or want to build a project in Canada, we can give your many suggestions. For example, if you don't know how to installation, don't know the important progress, and if you have many doubles, for example, the approved by government or the bank problems, you also can send your doubles to us. We can ask our Canada customer to help you and give your many suggestions.
Yeah, if you worry about the import, the problem, so we can also look for the agent for clearance the custom from the Google and from the our before our other kind of customers to help you about the import.
Yes.
Next one. Also the good comments from our customer.
Yes, the customer also is place order for the hot product. Just we use different photos. The customer is really take many too long times. Is we can see about the words is more than 2 years. The customer also gave us the 5 stars good statement about the production, about the service, about the shipment. They all were happy about our company.
Also including our patients.
Yes, we can see the customer says it take me a long time to place the order, and Bella was very patient and helpful. The engineering team and did a good job with the drawings. We have just started the assembling, but so far so good because the customer just get the containers before 1 month. When they get the project all the materials, they don't do the installation right away because they have many busy work need to do it. So they are waiting it. Our customer is very kind and patient for our company. So of course, we need to do our best service for them too. When the customer installation all finished, we will also ask more photos and will show it on our Alibaba shop. So if you want to get more details, you can leave your email address or send the message to our Alibaba. Then we can after we can give you more details and show you more photos and the videos.
Yeah, so if you also want the catalog with the price list, so we can also send it to your email, and you can check all our products and what we should sell and the hot sale product. So now we can begin the third. Yes, okay. The third. The steel structure. And this structure and we have done in the Thailand, the BKK, the Thailand, because we also have the many Thailand customers. So they usually request the cold room and the sandwich panel and the steel structure warehouse and factory. So because when we will receive the inquiry about their factory, they didn't tell us about the size, the real size, just give us the smaller one. So after they came to our company and we talked about the project, so they give us the real size and we begin to design the whole project. So you can see from this picture, the customer also requested the brick wall because the brick wall will not influence the column width and the column the length. So because the brick wall can make it will not leak from the from the top with the total two slopes. So if you want to cover the two slopes roof from outside to see like a parapet wall, we will design a parapet wall from the top to cover the two slopes the roof. So the big mean workshop attached a smaller workshop. So because our talent, the customer also requested the installation, the service. So later we will show you about our installation, the pictures to show you the more details. So because the Thailand is very hot, so the customer requested the steel sheet for the wall and the roof. Use the corner to install them. So with a big the canopy to keep because this area will make the packaging. So when the truck come to here, so when it with the sunlight or the big rain, so it will keep the goods to keep the will not leak. So if with the parapet wall, so all the workers come to factory to work for our customers, so it's like a live in their own home. So not look like a still warehouse. So they will get the heavier. And this one with the rolling door, but they delete this rolling door because it will go through the many cars every day. The main car with the double the sandwich panel door because it can the sliding on the left and on the right the meantime. So from the steel frame, so we can show you about the next picture. You can see from the front with a sliding door, with the sliding door, and this door can make the one truck, and another the double door, another the door can also can make the one truck.
Yes. For this project, we can see it don't have the small door used for
Yes.
a person. So if you want to design some small door for people to work, then we also can meet your request. And for this project, also don't not design the windows because our customer don't need it. But if you like this design and you want to put more windows or the small door for people work, then we can add it for you.
Because this factory is for the gypsum board to product. So the many workers in factory every day. So they maybe if you want to add more the small door and the rolling door, so we can also add it for you.
Yes. Many customers, for example, the wall shed is a white color. Then for the color, some customer also will choose same color. But for our suggestion, we will for the corner, we will suggest you to use different colors. Then will look more beautiful.
Yeah. So when the main workshop with the attached workshop, so between our engineer will design a gutter to make this rain when it rains, the water will go through the gutter, the middle gutter. So then we'll make the PVC pipe to let the rain, it will not leak.
From the top, we can see customer ask to put many skylight.
As skylight, it will be light in the near light and the evening.
Yes. For the workshop, we not only provide you the main materials, we also will design all the corners. For example, because this workshop is two slopes, so in order to not when the rain, the water not go through, so we will put the
rigid tile
above it.
Yeah, the wall and the wall to connect. We will also use air corner to cover the wall, and the roof and the wall to use a corner to cover the gap.
Yes. So when you want to build a steel structure project, even if you don't have any ideas, just send your length, width, and height to us. Then our engineer team will design everything for you. We will offer you a steel frame, wall and the roof, and the door and the window. Or if you have the skylight request, we also can offer you, and all the accessories for the workshop. So you just leave your size to us, then we will can do everything for you. So it will more easy for you to know the project.
Yeah, because you can see this canopy is very big. So if one canopy is bigger, so our engineer asked for the keep the seat, so they will design the steel frame or use a square tube to support the canopy to keep the seat when your workers is working.
Yes, and for the concrete materials also can use the steel sheet or sandwich panels. And about the support, we also can use the angle steel or the square tube. You just for other steel frame, you when you do the installation always by both, but for the canopy and the window support, then you need to build a little on your seat. So please do notice about this part.
Yeah, because this project almost have the 2,040 and 400 square meters. So to have the four horses.
Yes. So if you also from Thailand and want to build a project, please send your flyer or send your size to our leave your message by here or send your request to our Alibaba to the message. Then we will reply to you in 10 minutes, very fast.
Yeah, the total have the two main workshops, and another one is the dining room, and for the workers to eat dinners and lunch and breakfast. So the first house for the workers to live in here.
Yes.
From this is also for the outside
side.
to see. Yeah.
I remember the customer he don't know how to installation the project. So our company arranged our installation engineer team to Thailand and do the installation for them, right?
Yeah. So we total arranged the 8 workers to including the two engineers to help our talent customers about the installation.
Yes, later we can show you some photos
Yeah.
of our engineer team.
Yeah. So from this picture, because our talent customer need to put the equipment and for the production line, so they required a overhead crane. So we designed the overhead crane beam to support the overhead crane. When the workers so the crane beam to support the overhead crane. So if you want to save the cost, so you can make the workshop the widest make the not too wide.
Yes, we can see because of the project have the crane. In sometimes our engineer teams want to save the cost for you. So sometimes we will about the columns and the beams. We will design the cruise section. For example, we can check the beam. The beam from this side to this side is different size because this part is small and from this part will become the bigger. So if do this type of design, then we'll save the beam weight and save the cost for you. But if your project inside have the crane, please to note it. If your project inside have the crane, then the columns will cannot do the cruise section. Must do the constant section. The top to the bottom to the top, all the sections must sink because of the crane problems.
Yeah, cannot do the different section.
Yes, if your inside have the crane request, and we also can offer you the cranes. For example, 5 tons, 10 tons, and 20 tons. So you just tell to us how many tons do you need. Then we will can offer you with the steel structure together.
Yeah, with the columns and the beams. So after finish the steel column and the beams, so we will install about the wall purlin and the roof purlin. So at the end, so we will do the wall panel and the roof panel. Also use the many bracing and the tab in the middle, and use the columns supporting bracing, and the top also with the many bracing to support the purlin to keep the wall. If you want to when you install your roof, have many workers, have people then hang on the roof. So we will design the purlin will be near. So the width is almost 1.2 to 1.5 to match our customers' request and the design standard.
About the skylight, also have some customers don't know how to installation it. Please don't be worried, because we use the skylight wise is same as our roof shed. Their wise is same, so just put the skylight near the roof shed, then use the bolts connect them.
Next one.
Let us check more details.
This line, you also can do the concrete.
Yes, this part have the crane.
Near this main workshop, we designed the overhead crane, and this workshop with this smaller workshop and without overhead crane.
Yes, for this project, because our customer don't have the high request for the installation. So if you have the high request for the installation, for example, your area temperature is very low, so we can suggest you to use our different sound panels. Please don't leave. After we introduce the steel structure project finished, then we will introduce our different sound panels to you. So I think you can learn more details.
Yeah, the customers make the different areas in this workshop, in the two workshops. So divided the many different areas, because they after they finishes the goods, they will put the many goods in here, and that workshop for the production. Yeah.
So it's very easy for the after a production finished, then easy put to the storage area.
Yeah, later we will have the pictures to show the real picture, the real photos, and about our installation, about the inside, real photos inside with the many partition rooms and the partition wall. You can also add the office and the mezzanine, because sometimes have the customer needs the mezzanine and the office, so we can design from the land to use the steel column or square tube or double purlin to install from the land. So the top with the mezzanine, so you can put some goods, finishes the goods to save the total the area, to save the area. So you can also do the one floor office, and also do the 2-floor offices. You can make the many rooms for your workers and the manager.
Yes, we are waiting for you send more details to us.
Yeah.
From this picture, we can see how many handsome men. This is our engineer team. They are professionals for installation. Because our customer is don't know how to do the installation, and they cannot find the suitable installation team in that areas. So they invite our engineers team to do the installation for them. For this picture, from this picture, our engineer teams have already finished the main steel frames. So if when you want to build a project and you also worried the installation, you please don't be worried. Just tell to us your doubles and your worries. Then we also can send our engineer team to do the installation for you. Because our company have 6 professional installation engineers team groups, only use for go board do the installation.
Yeah, because the customers already already arranged all the install tools. So we also send the free installation tools for them to put into the container.
Yes, because if, some customers, even if they can find the installation team on that areas, but because their installation team not very professional about the project, so the installation times will become slow. So they invite our engineer teams, our engineer teams all have ready work do the installation work more than
15 years.
yeah. So they have the very professional and have the enough experience about the installation. So when they installation the project, they only use a little. They use the installation time is very short. So our customers are very happy about this.
Yeah, and just have the 6 workers. So we also have the 2 engineers who guide they how to install the column, how to install the beam, how to install the wall and the roof, and with the talent, the workers together, the total almost needs the 20 days total for the 4 houses.
Yes, it's very fast.
Yeah, the have one the workers house with the sandwich panel because the when workers living inside, so they need the soundproof and the installation with the night. So we designed and the suggested sandwich panel for their living house.
Yes, if you need our engineer teams do the installation for you, you just need to prepare all the installation equipment in advance. Then when our engineer teams arrive at your site, then they will can start to do the work right away. So it will more save the construction times. And if you don't know how to, if you don't know should to use what's the items for the installation equipment, then you also can tell to us in advance. We will list all the construction equipment for you, so you can. I think will more easy for you find it on your site. If some smaller times items you can't find it on your site, you can tell to us. Then when our engineers team going to your country, then we can let them carry it for you.
if you need the more service and about the installation, the Bella also can apply the visa and go to your your country. About
I need the best.
just for your project. And before I talked about the inside with the different area and divided the many partition rooms and the partition walls. So you can see from the top to middle makes the steel sheet. So usually if you want it more installation and safe, so we suggest the sandwich panel for the inside wall and the partition wall with the sandwich panel door. So you can see the from here to here, you can see the door can sliding from the left to right. So also with the our six the installation the workers, they already our engineer not come here, not come back. They already in production line. Use the gypsum board.
About the sliding door is made of by some panel, because many customer will ask me, Bella, what's your material of your doors? I don't know it's enough sofa or not. So I want to tell you the sliding door is made of by some panels, so it's very it's enough for safety. So you don't need worry it.
Yeah, our steel frame also with the Q355B and the Q235B. So we can design according to your country standard, to design to match your country standard, and you don't worry about a breather.
Because we have already inspected by SDS company,
Yeah.
and we have already get the video, so
Yeah.
I think we can show it to them.
Yeah, so I can show about the video about our certification.
Please waiting a moment. So everyone, please don't forget, because this month is September. So our company have the huge promotion purchase festival in September. So if you have the whatever the steel structure project or the sandwich panels order, please send your request to us. Then we will try our best to offer our best price, and plus the discounts, and plus the free gifts for you. So please don't miss this very good chance, because 1 year only have once. That's this month, September. Let me find the
Video about this project.
Okay, let us show you the certificate.
No. Because we must prove this project we already did it. So this is our customers send us the deposits about the percent 30. Usually after we receive the percent 30, we will begin to design the whole project with every section of steel frame and making a packing list to confirm with our customer. So so we will begin the product. So after finishes all the goods, so our customer, when we arrange the container to come to our factory to take their goods and delivery, so our customer will pay the safety payment and the balance payment. So we will deliver all the containers to Qingdao port. From the Qingdao port, they will deliver it to the country, the customer's port. So you just need to make the clearance the customer and look for the agent. If your company can do the clearance the customer directly, so you don't need to look for the agent from the ports.
Yes. If you also don't clear about our production time, delivery time, and the payment term, you just send the message, print the message to us, or leave your message by here. Then we can give you the clearly answers.
Yeah, so you just need to arrange the truck to take your container to load them and unload them on your seats. So your workers will begin to install all the items and finish your project.
Yes, if when you get the containers and you don't know how to loading the steel structure, you also can ask us to help you. We will send some photos and the videos for your reference. Then I think it will more easy for you unloading the steel structure from the inside of the container to outside.
So we can show you about the video about this factory, the whole project, the view. From this video, you can see the more details of every part. It's very nice. Through this video, you can see the many details and which part is more better and which part you want to make the changes and the adjustment. So you can tell us about your idea.
Yes, and from the computer, I see have another very nice project video. Maybe we also can show it to our customers.
Yeah, let me find it.
Yeah, this one. The project is location in Fiji.
Yeah, the Fiji customer also is very nice.
When this customer finish the installation and send the photos for our company reference, then we send the photos to our many different customers. Many customers will say, "Wow, this workshop is very nice, and outside also it look very nice." Will ask us more details. For example, the size of the project and the price of the project. So if you also interested for this project, please leave your message or your email address or send the Alibaba trade message to us, then we can share more details to you and share the floor plan quotation, so you can have the more details for reference.
Yeah, from this picture have the many the red color the rolling doors, because they also use for the production when finishes the goods. So the truck will come here to take the goods to sell to other cities.
Yes, because the wall panel is the white color, then match the red color door, so it will look very beautiful and nice.
Yeah, it's not like a common steel warehouse, and so the customers came to our factory 2 times with the engineer to from the design the foundation about the section of the steel frame and the purlins section. They also talked about it.
Yes, for this project, the customer have their self engineers team. So when they send the project details to us, they also send their drawings to us. So when we check their drawings, they have already marked everything. For example, the steel structure section, the distance, the purling and the door, the window, the wall and the roof flat colors, all the details have already marked. So our engineer team is when we offer to the customer and when we do the production is very strict based on their request. So some customers, if they have drawings, some customers will worried maybe we cannot to meet their request or change some things. So if you have these doubles or worries, please don't be worried. We will strict to production everything according to your drawings and don't make any changes.
Yeah, because we also have many the fake customers. So if you want to see and see the details of this project, so you can leave your message and send us the email, so we can send you the more details about our customers and these projects to show you more details and the idea to let you have the idea about your project and with the exact size and match your requirements.
Yes. Above it have the catalog word. Then you also you can click the catalog. Then if you click the catalog word, then you will more easy find our Alibaba shop. And if we have next live brackets, you can get the message at the first time. So for example, if our company also have other discount or the huge promotion sales activities, you also can get the message at the first time. So you can click the catalog words.
Yeah, this order through the Alibaba from the Kangchanglong Group.
Yes, also is a big project.
Yeah, these are 2 orders, also including the installation, the cost. So if you think at the end you don't need the installation team and the cost, we will reback the cost. We will reback the installation cost to you, and don't worry about the installation cost. So you can choose which one is better for you and from us and or from your country to look for the installation team.
Yes, maybe some customers don't know what's this item. This is called Alibaba insurance order because when we discuss the project with the customers, if their project amount is bigger, some customer will worried if we payment to you, but you don't do the production and the delivery times on time. What should we do? So if you have these doubts, please don't be worried because our company Alibaba shop have already set up on Alibaba more than 12 years, and we are the 5-star suppliers in Alibaba. So if you worried it, we can use the Alibaba insurance order for you. If we use the Alibaba insurance, if you payment to us, then we don't delivery on time, then you can ask the Alibaba to help you. So whatever what amount of your project, we all support to use the Alibaba insurance order. So you don't need to worry about our quality, delivery times, and the after sales.
Yeah, if you the first time to import the product from the China, so you can tell us, we will help you because the Alibaba is for safe for the foreign customers. So we will teach the how to use the Alibaba. If you don't like the Alibaba, so we will send you our company the account to let you pay it. So if you think it's safe, so we can also do it for you.
Yeah.
This is also from the Alibaba, so give Changlong Group the good comments and with the 5 stars.
Yes, this is for the first hot sale product. Yes, because we can check it from the picture. The picture is just we introduce to you the first hot product. Many customers will like this model and like this design because it look like more modern. And after they get the project, all give us the 5 stars cement by Alibaba.
Yeah, the customer also give us the good comments, the good quality and the service response is proved. Installation time is very professional and the fast because four horses they only need 20 days to finish it the whole 4 horses. So is the installation fee and the method of the loading for easy unloading at the destination.
Yes, right.
Because they before they are loading all the goods, so they don't know how to the unloading and make the strict unloading method. So they request the help from our installation workers. When our installation workers and the engineers on site, so they help our talent, the customer for unloading all the steel frame and the wall sheet and the roof sheet. So it help a lot for our talent customer because our workers have many experience about the loading and the unloading. So don't worry about the unloading the goods.
Yes, Changlong Group can provide the Turkey project for you. So please don't be worried anything. Just leave your requestment and if you have the drawing, just send to us. Then we can do the Turkey project for you.
Yeah. We from now we already finished the three main wholesale workshop and the steel structure warehouses. So now maybe have some customers is considering about our wall system and the roof system. So today we will introduce the 3 types. three types hot cell sandwich panel and the steel sheets. So from the first one, for the EPS panel, EPS panel also have the two types, and this one for the wall warehouse system. So if you think your country is hot and the partition have the partition rooms and with the partition wall, so we will suggest you choose the installation the EPS sandwich panel, because this sandwich panel, the price is cheaper than maybe than your country. Some countries with the cheaper price and also with the installation. We can also show you about some pictures about the EPS panel. Yeah, so this one you can see that this picture is match this wall panel. The thickness we can do from the 14 millimeter, then the 75 millimeter and 100 millimeter. The thickness is the 200 millimeter. So if you request a cold room and the degree with the over the 0 degree, so you can choose the EPS panel, because our Thailand customer and the Canada customer always choose the thicker EPS panel for their cold room and the warehouse.
Yes. When you place order the EPS panel, when we do the delivery and the shipping, if you worried about the sketch, then we can suggest you put the production film above the panel.
Yeah.
Above the panel, the top and the bottom two sides all can put the PVC the
Plastic PVC,
yeah,
to protect your panel.
correct. So when you get the sound panels, then we'll don't sketch the inside the steel plate.
Yeah, because the top with steel sheet and the bottom use the steel sheet. So if you use for the poultry and the chicken house and the farmhouse, we can also do the PVC. Can see this picture, the top with the, because outside with the steel sheet and the inside with the PVC, and because the PVC is the anti-corrosion for the animals and the sheep and the corn and the chicken. So you can choose this one. It can match your budget, and also can good for the chicken house.
Yes. So you just let us know what's the purpose of your project. Then we can give your many suggestions. For example, because our sound panels have the different thickness, so if you don't know how to choose the thickness and how to choose the density, you just tell to us what's your purpose of your project. Then we will give you the best suggestion and the professional suggestion to you.
Yeah, because today the price is very cheap. So from the history of the Changlong Group, we never sell this cheap price. So today you can see. So our colleague, please give the link to our customer and on in our live broadcast. So you can see you can win the more and earn more money today from our live channel.
Yes, and about our sound panel, the production times also very fast, because on this year our workshop by more three production lines. So on this year our production time is more faster than past years.
Yeah, this year we already bought a new machine to product the new connection part about the EPS panel and the heading screw, the rock wall panel. So later we will introduce the rock wall sandwich panel. So the first about this Z log and the S. You can see because the second the first one panel and with the second one panel, so they will join together and you will cannot see the any gap from outside. If you buy one container one shipping container with the 14 feet container, so we will send you screws and the pulling rivet for free. If you want to buy if you buy the 3 container house, so 3 containers, we will send you the cutting machine and the rivet, the pulling rivet and the screws for free. So because the cutting machine is very important on your seat, maybe you need to use the cutting machine to cut the panel to suit your warehouse size, exact size to match the measurements of your wall panel and the roof panel to make the 1 meter, the 2 meter, 3 meters. Maybe it's very exactly.
Yes, because our company is attending the September activities in this month, so we list many free gifts. If you don't clearly about this gift, how to get it, just leave your message or your email address to us. Then we can send the sales PDF documents to you. Then I think you will more clearly.
Yeah, in September we will apply the more gifts and free gifts for you from our boss and the manager. So if you buy before we talked about the if you buy 3 containers, we will send the cutting machine and the screws and the pulling rivet. So if you buy the five or four or five the container shipping container, so we will send the free the plastic PVC and put the free send you 4 and 5 container with all panels with the plastic PVC to protect your panels.
Yes, and please note about the length and the color. We all can custom make according to your request.
Yeah, because this plastic PVC also cost us so much. So
yeah,
but we need to sell the make the hot sale in September for our orders, because the for now already 10 days we already have many orders, because 1 month we can sell the over the 800 no 8,000 some square meters for the every panels.
Yes, right. So if you place the order from us today, then tomorrow we will can arrange the shipping for you. It's really very fast.
Yeah, because we already bought the 3 new machines. Then they will produce that together for your project.
Yes. So if you have the inquiry about the APS sandwich panel, please send your inquiry to us by Alibaba or send your request by here. Then we will can offer our best price and also can send the free sample to you.
Yeah. So if you think our free gift is not enough, so we can also apply the more gifts and the more about the RAL, the colors, because this special colors also need cost us the too much. So if you buy the more containers, we will apply the free colors, the special colors for your panels. So you can see about the wood color, about the dark gray color, and the green, yellow, many colors, and this color, many color we can do.
Yes, right. Just tell us what color do you want, then we will can custom make for you.
Yeah, this free gifts and the discount only for you.
And just Annie have already introduced the Zlock Connect for you. The Zlock Connect is most popular in Australia, right?
Yeah.
Because we have many Australia customers send the message to us. Do you have the Zlock Connect panel? Yes, because this year we buy the new machine, new production machine, so we can production the Zlock. So if you from Australia, whatever where you from, if you interested in the Zlock Connect, just send the message to us and send your inquiry to us, then we will can offer the best office for the Zlock.
Yeah, so this connection is very popular. It will maybe you think the other connection will reduce the installation from your living house and the warehouse, because some countries with the cold weather is very cold in winter, so they will choose the Zlock GPS panel from our factory.
Yes, and the Zlock Connect panel also very popular, used for a clean room, cold room. So if you want to build the cold room and the clean room, then we also can suggest use the Zlock Connect panels to use.
Yeah, the width is after installation. The width will be the 950 millimeter. So length we can do from the 1 meter to due to the container. The any length we can do.
Yes, if you really don't professional about the sound panel, you can leave your message to us. Then we can arrange the free sample to you. Whatever the wall panel or the roof panel, just you leave the message to us. Then we will can arrange the free sample to you.
Yeah, you can see this type of the wall panel with the small surface. If you don't like the small surface and you want the different width, and we also can do
With
with the smaller ravel.
Yeah. Many customer for the wall panel, for the outside wall panel, many customer will like the rubber types. But
Yeah, this picture you can see our Spanish the customer. They bought the one container with the roof panel because they use for the living house. So they chose the 50 millimeter roof panel. So the length also fold the whole container, the 40 feet container. Then later he told me they will have the more orders to buy from China, from our factory, to sell to their customers, because they can get more customers from their country after they checked our quality, our good quality, and the sound panel.
yes, if you don't know about your panel's quality, if you don't know how many containers need to use, then we will make the calculate for you. Calculate how many containers for you. For example, if your quality not fully the container and leave the some free space, then we will give your suggestions, because you know the shipping cost sometimes is very high. So in order to save the shipping cost, so sometimes we will suggest customer to put more panels above it. So if you don't know how to calculate, just send your message to us, then we will make the calculation for you.
Yeah, you just need to tell us the size, the length, width, as the head of your project. Or if you have the drawing, you can also send us so our engineer and the sales manager will calculate the details, the quantities, and to suit for your projects.
Yes. If you okay, next one.
You can check our customer is unloading the panels from their on-site.
Yes, when you do the unloading, we also have some suggestion for you. First one, when you do the unloading, we suggest you don't need to use the machine to carry the panels from the container. We will suggest you use a worker hand to unloading the panels one by one. Because if you use the machine to unloading, we worry that will sketch the face of the panels. Because when we do the delivery in our factory, we never use the machine. We all use our worker hand to put the panels one by one to the containers.
Yeah.
Another suggestion is when you do the unloading, please remember to wear the hand protection, because sometimes the panels maybe will hurt your hand. So please do the protective, then will don't hurt the worker hand.
Yeah, because we can since the plastic PVC to protect your panel when it delivery, it will not damage during the delivery. So after you receive our container and the panels, so you can maybe the one panel, the length will be the 10 meters, so you can arrange the 4 workers to take the one panel, so one by one, so you can get the good panel, so it will not damage.
Yes, and this container is arrived in Australia. From this picture, we can see the customer is very happy about our quality because customer is smell.
Yeah, because many of our customers are happy with our panel quality and the delivery.
Yes, so we have the very good experience in Australia market. So if you are from Australia, or if you want to do the business in Australia about the solar panels, so you can choose us. We will be your honest supplier in China.
Yes. This type for the container house, because we can also do the container house for the wall panel for the container house. So from outside to see, it's very beautiful because it with big waves.
Yes. So we can check the roof panel use the container house is different style is different with the steel workshop and the living house. So when you have the request for the sound panel, please let us know what's your purpose of your panels, so we will can suggest you to use what style is best for you.
Yeah, so let us check the video of our production line. With the wood color, so many customers maybe like the wood color.
This is our panel production line.
Yeah.
And the workshop.
This machine can produce the 3 wholesale sandwich panel with the EPS, the rock wall, and the pure panel 3 types total.
Yes, and we can see the EPS panel weight is light than rock wall and pure. So if you don't have very long request, one people will can lift the panels. So when you use the panels for workshop or living house, it will more easy for you do the installation and save the installation cost.
So let our colleague to show the second link to show to our customer to see the dock wall sandwich panel. Please show the link to our customer. Yeah, you can see this is the the material. So the inside core will be the one pieces by one pieces to in our factory. Then we will put the steel coil on top, and the bottom also make the steel coil to with the inside core to make the whole rock wall panel.
Yes, so we will prepare many raw materials in stock of our factory. So when our customer place the order to us, then we can do the production right away. That's why our production time also is very fast.
Yeah. The rock wall is based on the EPS. Also added the fail-proof the material. So the rock wall panel, the fail-proof wall will be the grade. So don't worry about the fail.
Yes. So if you have the high requirement for the fail-proof or and the waterproof, then we will suggest you to use the rock wall panel.
Yeah, the thickness also same as the EPS panel, and the width, the length also same as the EPS panel, according to your request.
Yes, and the color also can custom make by the RA value color chart.
Yeah.
So you just when you get the color chart, just send the number to us. Then we will can choose which color is your favorite color.
Yeah, usually in the Canada and the Australia, they requested the fail-proof the standard because the Canada customer is considering about the R value. So when you tell us what's the usage of your project, so we will suggest the thickness as the R value to match your project usage. So this rock wall also come with the PU panel, also can rock wall with the PU to connection. So this panel also can be installed by the horizontal, so protein will be vertically.
Yes. So we know the rock wall have the best fail-proof. We also have another panel also have the very good fail-proof function. That's PU panel. This is the PU panel, also called the polyurethane panel. Some customer, if you have the high request for the fail-proof, so you also can choose to use the PU panel. And the PU panel is widely used for cold room, clean room, and some weather is temperature is very lower areas. But the PU panel thickness also can do 15, 75, 100, and 150. But we have one thing need to mention to you about the PU panel. The roof panel cannot do 115 thickness. Only can do 15, 75, and 100 millimeters. And the PU panel density is 45 kilogram. Yes, kilograms. So a little heavy than EPS panel. And for the PU panel outside and inside also can do different appearance. We can do the smooth. Also can do some with rivers and some with a small wave and the bigger wave. So if you're interested, just send your email address to us. Then we can send our catalog to you for your reference about our PU panel.
Yes. So when you tell us you want to build a cool room, so we will ask you about the degree, the temperature, the how many degrees will you keep inside, because maybe you will put the equipment for cool room. So we will suggest the suitable the thickness for your cool room according to the degrees.
Yes, if your cold room, the degrees means zero grade, then we can suggest you to choose the 500 millimeter thickness or 100 millimeter thickness. But if your cold room inside the temperature lower than 10 or 20 grades, then we will suggest you choose more thicker thickness panels. For example, 100 thickness or 115 thickness. Because if different temperature, the inside will have the different installation request. So if the panel thickness more thick, then the installation will more better.
Yeah. We can show about the quality. You can check the quality is very good. So, but the PU panel, the price is a little expensive. So when your cool room over the 10 degrees, so we will suggest you choose about the EPS panel. So according to your request, if you can accept the PU panel price, so you can choose the PU panel. But if your budget is lower, so you can choose the EPS panel, because when after you put the equipment, it will, if you use the PU panel, it will reduce the electric in the future. So you can consider our suggestion.
Yes, as you know, the PU panel price a little expensive than other type, but please don't be worried, because this month is September.
Yeah.
We have the huge promotion activities, so we also have the big discount for the PU panel. So I think this is a good chance for you. Please don't lose this chance.
So you can tell about your inquiry about the how many square meters do you need. So we will calculate the how many containers do you need. So quote you the total price, the CAF to your country port. So you can consider that if can match your budget, so you can place an order. We will send the plastic PVC to protect your panel.
Yes, and we are not only sell the panels, we also have all the accessories or flashing for the panels. So when you order the different such panels, then you can send your floor plan to us. Then we can design what's design and calculate what accessories do you need, and also can provide to you and offer the best price. So when you get the panels and the accessories, then will more easy for you to installation the sound panels. For example, if you only order the sound panel but not only the accessories, I don't know it will easy for you find from your location or not. So when we discuss the panels order, we will give you the suggestion of the accessories.
Yeah, you can check our customer can check this picture with our PU panel. It was by the horizontal to installed. So from outside to see that this house is like a living house, and also can use for the office.
Yes, right. And also can do the different colors by RAL color chart.
Yeah. So today you can choose the which one hot cell. We already introduced the hot cells sandwich panel and the 3 types the steel structure. So you can leave your message and leave your email address. So we will help you about everything.
Yes. The happy time always very short.
Yeah.
Today our new bread case will finish the thing. So if you want to get more details, we suggest you pay attention about our next time live broadcast. So you can do the click the catalog, then we'll can attention our Alibaba shop. So next week when we have the new live broadcast, then you will can more easy find our live broadcast and can get the inform at the first time.
Yeah, so let us give you the more help, and we will send you the link about this live channel, the live broadcast.
Yes, right. Okay, so
okay, thanks for your watching.
Thank
bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.